Hi, I am Swarna from Alipurduar. I studied BTech in Netaji Subhash Engineering College in Computer Science and Engineering. And that time I did not get any placement. So I came across VXGS course from Webskitters Academy. And during this phase, I learned a lot and they helped me work on live projects in one-to-one mentorship whenever it required. And finishing this course, I got a placement in ARC. And I'm really thankful that Webskitters Academy of the faculty helped me a lot and make me who I am today. Thank you, Webskitters Academy.